This is the enhanced NIGHTLUX LTN. It's an indoor-outdoor LED lantern. And once we get it outside the box, have the lantern itself. And it also comes with a remote. So this is a 12 LED lantern. It's got about 95 lumens. The remote is functional for about 35 feet. The remote uses a standard CR2032 battery. The light itself is powered by 3 AA batteries. And it's about 4.5 ounces and will last about 10 hours with new batteries. So the function is very simple. Got your power button on the front, you press it once, the LEDs turn on. Press it again, it puts it into remote mode, and then you can use the remote to turn the light on and off. And you press it again to turn it completely off. The infrared sensor is on the front. On the handle, not only is it good as a carry handle, but there's also a hook so you can hang it up if you're camping or working out in the garage or just inside the house. You can hang it up somewhere, use it like that. The AA batteries go in the bottom, twist off the battery door here, and then inside is the battery cartridge, which holds the 3 AA's. One thing to note about this cartridge is it can only go into the bottom of the lamp one way. There is a notch right here on the cartridge, and that notch will line up with a plastic rail inside of the light. That way it goes and fits all the way flush down in. If it's not fitting flush in, it's probably because you don't have it lined up with that notch. As you can see, if it's not lined up with the notch, it won't go in properly, it'll get stuck. And if you're not putting it in the right way either, it just simply won't go in. This side is a little bit bigger than this side is. So you want to make sure you're putting the battery cartridge in with the bronze contact nubs facing downward with the notch lining up with the rail so it goes all the way in. And you just close the battery door. So this is the remote. Again, you'll know it's working because you get the red LED every time you push the button. Again, the battery on the back is a CR2032, so if the battery dies, you can replace it by using a coin and twisting it to the open side. I found that a nickel works the best, or something of the similar thickness of a nickel will work the best getting the battery door off of the remote. So troubleshooting tips, if the remote is not turning the light on and off, again, make sure that it is in remote mode. One click is to turn it on, second click, now it's in remote mode. If the light still isn't turning on, try replacing the battery in the remote, or try replacing the AA batteries inside the light itself. And that is the enhanced NIGHTLUX LTN.